Namaskar. Today we are going to start third topic, chemical reactions and equations from science and technology, part first. Now in that first introduction, we know that atoms of all the reactive elements have tendency to acquire the stable electronic configuration, that is octet state or duplet state, either by giving electron or losing electron or sharing the electron with other atoms. And when an atom give the electron to other atom, or when an atom take the electron from other atom, or when an atom share the electron with other atom, a chemical reaction take place between the atoms and chemical bond is formed between these two atoms, and hence a compound is formed. आपल्याला माहित आहे प्रत्येक क्रियाशील मूलद्रव्याच्या अणूमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन देऊन किंवा इलेक्ट्रॉन घेऊन किंवा दुसऱ्या अणूबरोबर इलेक्ट्रॉनची भागीदारी करून जवळच्या निष्क्रिय वायू मूलद्रव्याचे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपान प्राप्त करून स्थिर होण्याचा गुणधर्म असतो. मग ज्यावेळेस एखादा अणू दुसऱ्या अणूला इलेक्ट्रॉन देतो किंवा एखादा अणू दुसऱ्या अणूकडून इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतो किंवा ज्यावेळेस एखादा अणू दुसऱ्या अणूबरोबर इलेक्ट्रॉनची भागीदारी करतो, त्यावेळेस त्या दोन अणूंमध्ये रासायनिक अभिक्रिया होऊन त्यांच्यामध्ये रासायनिक बंधाची निर्मिती होते आणि त्यामुळं संयुगाची निर्मिती होते. Now in last year we have studied the formation of ionic compound sodium chloride. In the formation of sodium chloride, sodium metal lose one electron to acquire the octet state and become stable and form a sodium ion, while chlorine atom take the electron lost by sodium to acquire the octet state and become stable and form chloride ion. Hence, two oppositely charged ions are formed, and therefore electrostatic force of attraction exists between these two oppositely charged ions. That is, ionic bond is formed between the sodium ion and chloride ion and form a compound sodium chloride, that is NaCl. आपण गेल्या वर्षी सोडियम क्लोराईडची निर्मिती पाहिलेली आहे. त्यामध्ये सोडियमचा धातू स्थिर होण्यासाठी जवळच्या निष्क्रिय वायू मूलद्रव्याचे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपाने प्राप्त करण्यासाठी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन देतो आणि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिल्यामुळं त्याचं रूपांतर सोडियमच्या धन आयनामध्ये होतं. क्लोरीनचा अणू स्थिर होण्यासाठी जवळच्या निष्क्रिय वायू मूलद्रव्याचे इलेक्ट्रॉन स्वरूपान प्राप्त करण्यासाठी सोडियमने दिलेला एक इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतो आणि त्यामुळं त्याच्यावर ऋण प्रभार तयार होतो. अशा प्रकारे दोन विरुद्ध प्रभारी आयन तयार होतात आणि त्यामुळं त्या दोन विरुद्ध प्रभारी आयनामध्ये विद्युत स्थितिक आकर्षण निर्माण होतं. म्हणजे त्या दोन आयनांमध्ये आयनिक बंध तयार होतो आणि त्यामुळं या ठिकाणी सोडियम क्लोराईड हे संयुग तयार होतं. That is, compounds are formed by the chemical combination or chemical reaction between the atoms of different element. Then there are some questions under the heading of can you recall. नंतर या प्रकरणामध्ये कॅन यू रिकॉल म्हणजे तुम्ही सांगू शकता का किंवा तुम्हाला आठवतं का या मताखाली काही प्रश्न दिले आहेत. The first question is, what are the types of molecules of elements and compounds What are the types of molecules of elements and compounds? मूलद्रव्याचे आणि संयुगाच्या रेणूंचे प्रकार कोणते आहेत हा प्रश्न विचारला. नाउ फर्स्ट, what is the molecule? A molecule is smallest particle of substance which has all the properties of that substance and can exist in free state. A molecule is smallest particle of substance which has all the properties of that substance and can exist in free state. सुरुवातीला आपला मॉलिक्यूल म्हणजे काय किंवा रेणू म्हणजे काय हे माहित आहे. तर रेणू म्हणजे पदार्थाचा लहानात लहान कण, ज्या लहान कणामध्ये त्या पदार्थाचे सर्व गुणधर्म असतात आणि ज्या कणाला स्वतंत्र अस्तित्व असतं तो कण म्हणजेच पदार्थाचा रेणू. देन molecules are formed either from the atoms of same element or molecules can be formed from the atoms of different element. On the basis of this, there are two types of molecules, and these two types of molecules are molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. मॉलिक्यूलची निर्मिती कशी होते किंवा रेणू कसे तयार होतात? तर रेणू एकतर एकाच मूलद्रव्यांच्या अणूच्या संयुगातून तयार होतात किंवा वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्यांच्या अणूच्या संयुगातून तयार होतात. आणि यावर आधारित रेणूचे प्रकार दोन आहेत. आणि ते दोन प्रकार म्हणजे मूलद्रव्याची रेणू आणि संयुगाचे रेणू. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ whether molecules are formed from the atoms of same element or atoms of different element, there are two types of molecules, and these two types are molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. रेणू हे एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या अणूपासून तयार झाले का वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या अणूपासून तयार झाले याच्यावर आधारित रेणूचे प्रकार दोन आहेत. आणि ते म्हणजे मूलद्रव्याची रेणू आणि संयुगाचे रेणू. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. Molecules of elements. So molecules of elements are formed from the atoms of same element. Molecules of elements are formed from the atoms of same element. मूलद्रव्याचे रेणू हे एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. Now there are two types of molecules of elements. There are two types of molecules of element. First type is monoatomic molecules of elements, and second type is polyatomic molecules of element. There are two types of molecules of elements. First type is monoatomic molecules of element, and second type is polyatomic molecules of element. मूलद्रव्याच्या रेणूचे प्रकार दोन आहेत. ते दोन प्रकार म्हणजे एक अणु रेणू आणि दुसरा आहे बहुअणु रेणू. So first we will study monoatomic molecules of elements. So the molecules of some elements like noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, or the elements like metals. Atoms of some elements like noble gases or metals have independent existence, and therefore molecules of these elements exist as a single atom. Atoms of some element like noble gases or metals have independent existence, and therefore the molecules of these elements exist as a single atom. These molecules are called monoatomic molecules. That is, monoatomic molecules are made from only one atom of element. Monoatomic molecules are formed from the only one atoms of element. एक अणुरेणू हे मूलद्रव्याच्या एकाच अणुपासून बनलेले असतात. काही मूलद्रव्य म्हणजेच निष्क्रिय वायू मूलद्रव्य असतील किंवा धातू मूलद्रव्य असतील तर अशा मूलद्रव्यांच्या अणूंना स्वतंत्र अस्तित्व असतं. निष्क्रिय वायू मूलद्रव्य किंवा धातू मूलद्रव्याच्या अणूंना स्वतंत्र अस्तित्व असतं. त्यामुळं ह्या मूलद्रव्यांच्या रेणू हे एक अणुरेणू असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the molecule of helium is He. It is the molecule of helium, and this molecule is made from only one atom, neon, Ne. This molecule is made from only one atom, argon. It is made from only one atom. Or helium, neon, argon, krypton. It is made from only one atom of argon, krypton. Then xenon, radon. So these are the molecules of noble gases which are made from only one atom. Similarly, molecules of metals are also made from only one atom. For example, molecule of sodium is Na. Molecule of sodium is Na. It is made from only one atom. Or molecule of potassium is K. It is made from only one atom. Molecule of aluminium is made from only one atom of aluminium. Hence, atoms of noble gases and metals have independent existence, and therefore molecules of these elements exist as a single atom, and such molecules are called monoatomic molecules of element. Then second type is polyatomic molecules of elements. Polyatomic molecules of elements. The polyatomic molecules of elements are formed from two or more atoms of same element. Polyatomic molecules of elements are formed from the two or more atoms of same element. मूलद्रव्याचे जे बहुअणू रेणू आहेत ते बहुअणू रेणू हे एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा अधिक अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा अधिक अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. Now depending upon number of atoms from which molecule is formed, there are different types of polyatomic molecules of element. For example, diatomic molecules of element, then triatomic molecules of element, or tetraatomic molecules of elements. रेणू एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या किती अणूपासून बनलेत याच्यावर आधारित या बहुअणू रेणूचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. ते म्हणजे डायटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल म्हणजे द्विअणू रेणू, किंवा ट्रायटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल त्रिअणू रेणू, किंवा टेट्राटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल चार अणु रेणू, किंवा चतुर्थ अणु रेणू. Now diatomic molecules of elements are made from two atoms of the same element. Diatomic molecules of elements are made from the two atoms of the same element. हे जे द्विअणू रेणू आहेत ते एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, molecule of hydrogen. A molecule of hydrogen element is made from two atoms of hydrogen atom. Or molecule of chlorine is made from two atoms of chlorine. A molecule of oxygen is made from two atoms of oxygen. Hence, diatomic molecules are formed from the two atoms of same element. Similarly, triatomic molecules are formed from three atoms of the same element. Triatomic molecules are formed from the three atoms of same element. एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या तीन अणूपासून हे त्रिअणू रेणू बनलेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ओझोन. It is a molecule of ozone which is made from three atoms of oxygen. ओझोन हे त्याचं उदाहरण आहे त्रिअणू रेणूचं. ओझोनचा मॉलिक्यूल हा ऑक्सिजनच्या तीन अणूपासून बनलेला असतो. Similarly, tetraatomic molecules are made from the four atoms of same element. Tetraatomic molecules are formed from the four atoms of same element. एकाच मूलद्रव्याच्या चार अणूपासून हे चार अणुरेणू किंवा चतुर्थ अणुरेणू बनलेले असतात. एक्झाम्पल, phosphorus. Phosphorus is element, and molecule of phosphorus is made from four atoms of phosphorus. Similarly, a molecule of sulfur is made from 8 atoms of sulfur. A molecule of sulfur is made from 8 atoms of sulfur, and it is called octaatomic molecule. Octaatomic molecule म्हणजेच 8 अणूपासून बनलेला मॉलिक्यूल. Hence, molecules of elements are made from same element, and depending upon the number of atoms from which molecules are formed, there are different types of molecules of element. Monatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, tetraatomic molecule. Monatomic molecules are made from one atom of same element. Diatomic molecules are made from two atoms of same element. Triatomic molecules are made from three atoms of same element. Tetraatomic molecules are made from four atoms of same element. Then the second type of molecule is molecules of compounds. Second type is molecules of compounds. Molecules of compounds are formed from two or more atoms of different element. molecules of compounds are formed from two or more atoms of different element. संयुगाचे रेणू हे वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा अधिक अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज कंपाउंड and this compound sodium chloride is a compound and molecule of sodium chloride is made from two atoms of different element, that is sodium and chlorine. Or water molecule, water is the compound and a molecule of water is formed from three atoms of different element, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Now, depending on number of atoms from which molecules of compounds are formed, there are different types of molecules of compounds. Depending on the number of atoms from which the molecules of compounds are formed, there are different types of molecules of compounds. संयुगाचे रेणू किती अणूपासून बनलेले आहेत याच्यावर आधारित संयुगाच्या रेणूचे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आहेत. and these different types are diatomic molecules. Now, diatomic molecules of compounds are made from two atoms of different element. Diatomic molecules of compounds are formed from two atoms of different element. वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन अणूपासून हे संयुगाचे द्विअणुरेणू बनलेले असतात. संयुगाचे द्विअणुरेणू हे वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या दोन अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. एक्झाम्पल, सोडियम क्लोराइड. Sodium chloride, it is a compound and its molecule is made from two atoms of different element, that is sodium and chlorine. Similarly, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a compound and its molecule is made from two atoms of different element, that is carbon and oxygen. Then next type is triatomic molecule of compounds. Triatomic molecules of compounds are made from three atoms of different element. Triatomic molecules of compounds are made from three atoms of different element. हे जे संयुगाचे त्रिअणुरेणू आहेत ते वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या तीन अणूपासून बनलेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, H2O. It is a triatomic molecule of compound. It is made from three atoms of different element. In this molecule, there are two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. हा पाण्याचा रेणू आहे, हा त्रिअणुरेणू आहे. कारण याच्यामध्ये तीन अणू आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याचे तीन अणू आहेत. हायड्रोजनचे दोन अणू आणि ऑक्सिजनचा एक अणू आहे. तर हा झाला ट्रायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वॉटर. सिमिलरली, मॅग्नेशियम क्लोराइड. इट इज अ ट्रायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ मॅग्नेशियम क्लोराइड बिकॉज इट इज मेड फ्रॉम थ्री atoms of different element. There is one atom of magnesium and two atoms of chlorine. Similarly, tetraatomic molecule. चार अणुरेणू का चतुर्थ अणुरेणू. A triatomic molecule of compound is made from four atoms of different element. Tetraatomic molecules of elements are made from four atoms of different element. वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या चार अणूपासून हे चतुर्थ अणुरेणू बनलेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ammonia. Ammonia is a compound and its molecule is NH3. It is ammonia. Now this molecule is made from 4 atoms of different element. There is 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. Hence there are 4 atoms of different element. Then similarly pentaatomic molecules of compounds. So pentaatomic molecules of compounds are made from 5 atoms. Penta means 5 atoms of different element. वेगवेगळ्या मूलद्रव्याच्या 5 अणूपासून हे पंच अणुरेणू बनलेले असतात. एक्झाम्पल मिथेन CH4. Methane is a compound. Its molecule is CH4. This molecule is made from 5 atoms of different element. In this molecule there is 1 atom of carbon and 4 atom of hydrogen. Or next hexaatomic molecule. Hexaatomic molecule. Of compounds. Hexaatomic molecules of compounds are made from 6 atoms of different element. Hexa means 6. So hexaatomic molecules of compounds are made from 6 atoms of different element. Example phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride is a compound. Its molecular formula is PCl5. It is made from 6 atoms of different element. There is 1 atom of phosphorus and 5 atom of chlorine. Hence there are different types of molecules of compounds depending on number of atoms from which molecules are formed. Hence there are different types of molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. Then the next 2 questions, that is second and third, we will discuss in next video. धन्यवाद.